Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, we can see kind of a little bit on top, but we have no idea what's in this, not manifested, so we're very excited to dig in.
All right, everybody, we're going to dig into this pallet and wish us luck. Hopefully find some hidden gems. This one is sitting on top, not too exciting, but 5 brand new headphones. I think they're only maybe like $10 each retail, but we'll throw these on our shop for like $5 each. And
They'll probably sell pretty quickly.
Yeah, for $25, it's a good little box.
Wireless under cabinet. Oh, radio.
Yeah. See what that's worth. And if you want to,
I do appreciate that they tried to protect whatever it was.
Yeah, with
yeah. Is that a chair?
It is some kind of chair. I think it's supposed to be like a bar stool type chair.
Here's a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a bar stool, like you said.
Pretty ugly.
It's unique.
It's beautiful. This will be in our shop for probably around the $30 mark.
I was just going to say 25 for the box.
Yeah, once we put it together. Might look nice once it's put together. You don't know, so you do it. What is that? The whole case or something?
It's performance wax.
For what? I think it goes to a zebra printer, but I'm not sure what. Zebra performance wax black. It's a little tiny heater. Is that the one you're talking about?
No. I saw
just,
one on top of the other one.
Oh, okay. Just a little baby portable heater. Probably put like $5 on that.
We'll test it first, of course.
Yeah, of course. See what's in this big boy.
Fragile.
Yeah. Staples return. Whatever it is. Oh, it's a 30-quart weather-tight plastic 6-pack box. $83. Let's see. Hopefully they're in good condition because we actually use these.
Oh, yeah.
Hold those, please.
No problem.
So there's going to be 6 of these. Yeah. That lid. Oops. That one's got some broken pieces.
This lid is cracked too.
Okay. Looks like a couple of them are cracked, a few of them are good. This is a 6-pack. These two look fine.
Honestly, even the one that's cracked.
Oh yeah, we'll still use it.
We'll put a piece of tape on it and
The next two look good. And this one's missing a handle, but I can probably pop that back on, so it's totally fine with us. We actually need some of these for when we expand or store bigger.
yeah, we use that so we can grab quickly some additional inventory.
Yeah, definitely. So those will be good.
Put this in here.
It's a 5.1 surround sound system. I think I saw this be free when we got the pallet and I looked it up. I think it's around $60 to $80. Let's see.
Brand new 108. Brand new 95. Brand new 129. So we'll have to see the condition of it, obviously.
Yeah, it's been open.
Retaped.
Yeah, so we'll test it out, rock out here a little bit, and Yeah, it's probably worth about 30 to 40 used, I would say. Not too bad.
Might be a Facebook item, depending.
Yeah, possible.
This brand new one sold for $50. It's a car
Okay.
remote.
Remote start. Cool.
So depending on condition,
Yeah.
we'll see what we can get. But that's going to be an easy light box to ship. We
Oh,
can
yeah,
ship it
very
right in
much.
the box.
Nice and cheap to ship. Here's a desk lamp that's kind of cool. I actually ordered one like this recently because it was on sale.
For your desk at home.
Yeah, but not this exact one, just something similar. That's pretty cool looking. Might be worth $15 or so.
Yeah. Here's a heater.
Yeah, big old floor radiator heater, I think they're called.
Yeah.
Stacking letter trays. Exciting.
Not really. We'll throw those out in the store though. They'll definitely.
Oh yeah.
With everyone having a home office.
Yeah, just some simple stacking trays for letters. Boring.
Yeah, it'll make us some money. We have
A few dollars.
a few of these actually. 3. They look,
Little tiny humidifier.
yeah. Personal one.
Ultrasonic humidifiers.
We'll probably sell these in the store for maybe $8, $10.
Yeah, probably around there.
We'll test them to make sure that they work, but
Yeah.
those are good in the winter time. So.
Oh, for sure. Water filter, 3-pack. Water filters can be very expensive.
Yeah, if they're sealed, we'll sell those.
Yeah.
They are.
Looks like these go for about $10 each. We got 3 of them, so we'll probably do all 3 for $29.99 or $24.95, something like that on eBay. Probably sell real quick.
Water filters do sell quickly.
They do.
Because we definitely sell them cheaper than you can buy them at the store.
Oh, for sure.
A atomic clock. We'll probably put that in the store for about $10-15.
Probably right around there. Yeah, I'd say so. Looks like it's factory sealed. So a lot of people like this. Here's a 27-inch Samsung monitor. Do something good. Oh. Well, that might be really good.
I know.
We'll get to that in a minute. Shoot. So here's a 27-inch LED monitor, 75 hertz. So it's not really a gaming one, but let's see, is it 1080p? Doesn't have that much info on the box. I think it's a 1080p. This is probably worth around $100 if it works. Of course, we'll test it and everything. Dang, let's save that for last.
Yeah. This is heavy. Yeah.
Here we have a Cybertrack H4 webcam. It's a little cheap, kind of a no-name webcam, but this might be worth about $10 if it works.
Calculator probably $8-10.
Yeah. Calculator with the little paper roll thing. Not too exciting. Little mount, 55 pounds, just for a little TV or monitor. Maybe put that in a store for about $5. I think this is envelopes.
Wow, I'm excited.
I know, me too.
I was hoping for some envelopes.
It's your lucky day. Wait. Oh, they're like clear.
Oh, they're mailing envelopes.
Yeah.
We used to use these.
These are just the little clear things you put the packing slip on. They actually might hold some value for this whole case on eBay. I'd say probably at least $20 because there's probably 500, 1,000 of them in there. Tons of them. That could actually have some good value.
Yeah, I was thinking regular envelopes when you said
Yeah,
that.
so that's what I thought. Printer cart.
Oh, that sounds promising.
Yeah. You don't need a printer cart? Just a real cheap, throw together type cart, maybe $10.
We'll put it together, obviously, make sure the pieces aren't missing. A little paper shredder.
Yeah, little paper shredders down here, that might be 10 bucks. Another printer cart, that might be another 10. A chair mat, maybe 10.
This is like a standing mat. Like one of those rubberized
soft
mats.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like a good size one.
Yeah, 3x5 rubber carpet mat. What's in this? I thought that was a big box.
Ooh, that sounds oh, that doesn't sound broken at all.
Mystery box for sale now. No point in even opening this to see what it is. Because it broke. It's one of those stand-up desks that you put it on top of your existing desk, and then it motorizes up and down.
Which is nice because then you can convert your desk from a sit to stand.
Oh, for sure. A wall file. And that's going to pull out something that neither one of us expected, and I pray that it's in this box. It's going to be a very nice, expensive item. A Samsung Premier 4K laser projector. I did not expect that at all.
I know.
I don't even know. This is going to be well over 1,000 without a doubt.
As soon as I saw that, I got very excited.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's see if any sold. I bet, oh, this better be in there and work. Ready? What do you think? What do you guys think?
I'm thinking $9.50.
$9.50? That'd be nice. 4K laser. Guys, guess. What do you guys think? Oh, never mind. Can't hear. How about that? We're going to open it next and see if it's on there. You ready?
Yes, I'm excited. Oh my gosh.
2,600, 2,300, 2,800. Wow. Now watch it just be the box or someone swap their old piece of junk or something.
Feels well packed in here.
It definitely has been opened though.
Yeah, but it feels well packed. It's got styrofoam and it's not just thrown in, but
This
let's
would
see.
be amazing. Got the manual and all that. Got the power cable. I think this is it. Let's hope they didn't drop it or something. Hold that, please.
Oh my gosh.
And they're good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can we put this back up here?
Oh no.
Okay.
So
Wow. It's beautiful looking.
it even has the plastic wrap on top.
And Samsung, obviously, that's a great brand.
Oh heck yeah. Wow, look at that, guys.
Is that it?
Yeah, I'll double check the model, but it looks like it's the Premier laser projector. Completely wrapped up in this wrap. Sure, they could have put it back on there, but it doesn't look like they dropped it or anything. This even has a sound system built in. That's awesome.
That's amazing.
I'm gonna set this aside and actually test it out in just a little bit. Don't you
Here,
think?
do you want the box item?
Yeah, just I'll grab it 1 second.
Okay.
Just gonna set it down over here.
The cables are wrapped up and everything.
I know, that's so cool. So
That is exciting.
That's the truth about liquidation. I mean, we did not expect that.
Obviously, we got some broken things. We got some kind of, entry level items.
Yeah, you're gonna get some cheap junk. That, I mean, for out of the blue $2,000 plus projector that's 4K, that blows my mind. Definitely be testing that out. We'll let you know. I'll let you know in the comments when I edit this video and let you know if it worked. And yeah, that's a home run.
Yeah.
What more could we ask for?
2 of them?
Yeah, a truckload of them. Don't be too greedy. No.
I'm very excited. As soon as I saw laser projector, I was, especially 4K, I was very excited.
That blows my mind. I don't understand how that's on there, to be honest. But like I said, you get home runs like this pallet, and then you get duds that we've gotten plenty of. I've ordered probably 200 pallets in the 10 years I've been doing this, and there's been some where you lose the entire pallet worth of money. But then other ones like this, it's a grand slam. It's truly amazing. This is like 1 in 100 type find that you don't expect it coming. So pretty damn happy about that. So like and subscribe for us, guys. Helps us out a lot. We're gonna be doing
plus the giveaway.
Can I finish?
Sorry.
Plus, at 1,000 subs, we're halfway there almost. 1,000 subs, we're gonna do a $200 mystery box of brand new Target items, and we're gonna give it away to one of you. You have to like, you have to subscribe, and just put a comment in one of the videos, and we'll randomly pick it. We'll mail it to you anywhere in the United States for free, and yeah, we'd love for you to join this channel.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, have an awesome day. See ya.